If you bought the Audi A3 and want to install a reversing camera and it didn't come with one, I'll show you how and provide the link where I purchased my own reversing camera. This allows you to get it at a good price and install it in your vehicle. I'll cover all of this in this video, and next I'll put up another video showing you how to install the rear camera. So this is a very comprehensive video and I believe it's already worth your time. It's worth your like, so leave a like here, don't hold back, help us out, and we'll be helping you in return, deal? So let's go. This is the reversing camera. I'm going to tell you some specifics here. The rear camera of the Audi A3 is the original model, which is what I'm going to recommend this one. The button reduces the size of the part you press to open, and it comes with the camera integrated here on the side. The original reaction cameras, as well as this one, comes with this type of... Here we go. This plug is the only plug-and-play item you'll need for your car to install a reversing camera, and it comes with all the original wiring, so you can install it without having to cut any wires or do anything extra for it to work effectively. The installation is clean, high quality, perfect, and everything works flawlessly like it came from the factory. If you want to know more or you want to purchase, click the first link in the description of the reversing camera so you can buy the reversing camera right now. Then you can install it in your car, and next up I'm going to provide you with the video of installing the reverse camera. That's it, everyone. I hope this helped you as I'm trying to assist you. Help us out by clicking the like button there. It doesn't cost anything. Lastly, if you want any accessories for your Audi A3, comment below and we'll make a video explaining it, also giving tips on where to buy the accessory with quality, and of course from a quality seller.